All right, today I am making a shot glass holder, a big one. I am just literally making this up as I go. There's no plans except for, obviously it's a square sideways. I don't know where to put you guys when I do stuff. Does this work? I don't know how to film or get stuff off my phone. All right, so what I'm doing here, measuring this out. Figure out about 2.5. Oh boy, there's not a whole heck of a lot of room, but we're gonna do it. We're gonna cut a few of them at 2.5 and see if that works. Go from there. I'll be back. Is there a way to do time lapse? I can talk over it later. Alright, with that hyperlapse thing is only 4 seconds, but as you can see, I'm just going to keep going with this. Keep moving down. Again, when you're building stuff, you want to make sure you just go at it. Don't think about it, you just get it. And it'll turn out like something, probably. We don't know. Now I'm going to bring you guys back in for a second. Watch what I'm doing. Come on. All right, so it's definitely nothing I'm doing. It's got to be math just working out, I guess. You can see everyone is kind of lining up here as I go, and we're adding 2 every time to the dealie. And I don't want to wait, so we're using some super glue, extra thick cyanoacrylate, and then 23 gauge pin nails. Very tiny, go in there, just kind of hold it together. It should be nice and weak. It'll at least hold the shot glasses, ain't gonna do much more. Now, music time. All right, so time to show you something. When you're not measuring and you're just getting after it, a lot of times you screw up, but those are happy mistakes. So as you can see, this right here, a lot less than on this side. Now the wife only wanted to be able to hold 30, I think it's about 25. What we're gonna do is we're gonna build it up a little bit here, add about 10 more, and then on the back side, we're gonna face it, and we'll put some stupid words there that women like, you know, like, I don't know, be merry and have a happy family or some random stuff, and it'll work out. Happy mistake. That's why you never measure a whole bunch, and you just do it and don't write anything down. Never think about what you're doing. All right, really hope I can put this video together and actually get it online. But what was I saying about happy accidents? Look at that. It is accidentally 2 feet, so I can put a backer on it on the whole thing, which I didn't plan on doing, but now I'm going to, because it looks cool, and we're going to add some like words here. I'll move this. You can see I made these bigger for the bigger shot glasses, you know, kind of specialty. She can set some up here. And then in the center will be, you know, live, laugh, love, or whatever women like to do. But again, that's what you get when you don't pay attention. You just get after it. Things just work out. Math gets in there somehow, and things figure itself out. You don't really need to think a lot. Just get after it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut this down. I'm going to pin nail it onto the back, and then we're going to try spray stain. Maybe, yeah, we'll do it. We'll vaporize stain in here, see if I blow up with the fire and stuff going. Give it a try. All right, so we're gonna try this. Spray it with some stain and see what happens. I'll do a nice time lapse and you guys can watch. Let's get to it. All right, as you can see in the time-lapse video, we did it. It worked. I almost ran out of stain, and I might as well just painted it red with as thick as that crap went on. But there it is. It's just super duper wet. So much stain, it's ridiculous. Next time I'll just paint it or figure out a different way to do it. But it's drying in front of the fire, sitting there. We'll let it dry a little bit. We'll bring it in and we'll put some lacquer on it, and then we'll hang it, see if the wife likes it. We'll put some, you know, words here, whatever she wants. I'll ask her what she wants, and we'll hold her shot glasses. But you know, it'll be a couple seconds for you, but a few hours while this dries because it's so thick. Got it sitting right in front of the fire, so get nice and hot, dry up. And then we'll lacquer it inside. I got the spray lacquer inside. I'll have to bring more in. And then it's done, I guess. There's a red shit on my eyes. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to lacquer this. Just with some spray lacquer. I don't have too much left, but it's just a shot glass holder. Just give it a nice shine. We'll do a little time lapse and see if that looks cool. Now this wood is soaking up pretty much everything I throw at it, so I'm not really worried about keeping it, I guess, doing a bunch of coats and stuff. This is like a nice, it's nice lacquer. Like this is outside, like expensive stuff. Does not need to be on this, just what I had. I might have some other clear coat over there on the paint shelf, and I'll clear coat it. Basically just make sure this isn't drippy, and the rest of it's kind of falling into place. Looks kind of crazy. The wife doesn't want any stupid words here. She just wants to put tall shot glasses, which is fine. See, another happy accident. I left this for dumb words, which maybe we will, but she's going to put taller shot glasses here, some of the odd ones here, normal shot glasses here. So, seems to work out fine when you don't try it. It looks like I got punched in the eyeball. They're going to make fun of me at drill tomorrow. Alright, we got another coat on there. Not really another coat, just finished off that bottle I had. So that's going to be it. We're going to let it dry right in front of the fire. Let it go. And we are going to do the best part of the videos, the cleanup. We'll hyperlapse you, and you can watch me clean my shop. Always clean your shop. Alright, it's time to clean the shop. Not everything has a place at the moment. Things are just where they are. But clean, swept, got everything going. here's the finished product. Now, ooh, it's hot, sitting right in front of the fire. And you can see, I only measured a little bit and just made things work without really trying. There was no plans, no nothing. Things just happen in my mind, and then it comes out like that. I think some people call it the sixth sense, or the creative mind, I guess. I just call it my drunk mind. I don't know, it just happens. When I'm drinking, I make stuff. Just somehow things work out like this without even trying. Nice wall hanger. Fits, I don't know, I'm not going to count, but fits a lot of shots. Hopefully it's interesting, or at least you guys can make fun of me. As you can see, you know, my chop saw doesn't have the blade or the protector, so maybe I'll cut my finger off one day, so subscribe because of that. I did almost hit my face today when I was bending down, so one day maybe I'll cut my fingers off for you, or not. Subscribe, you'll find out. See you guys next time. I drink and I make stuff.